Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Talk Sense with Tarun. Today I have a friend with me, Priyanka Kaur. So she is going to give me some advice on how to find the perfect partner. I know a lot of people who have gone through a number of relationship difficulties and I know so many of you जिसका ब्रेकअप हो गया है. तो अब वो टाइम आ गया जहाँ पे हम लोग एक नया पार्टनर चाहते हैं. तो वो नेक्स्ट पार्टनर आने के लिए हम लोग को क्या, एक तो हम लोग को अपने आप को डेवलप करना है पहले, तो वो हम लोग ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं. अब क्या करना चाहिए कि हाउ टू फाइंड द परफेक्ट पार्टनर. आई एम गोइंग टू गेट दोस टिप्स फ्रॉम हर. हाय
Me.
थैंक यू.
Thank you for having me on Talk Sense.
देखिए पहले मेरे को तो आपको थैंक यू बोलना पड़ेगा दैट यू आर रेडी टू गिव मी टिप्स ऑन फाइंडिंग द परफेक्ट पार्टनर. पोटेंशियल पार्टनर जो थोड़ा सा मतलब
I wouldn't call it tips. I'd call it. What would I call it? Call it how to go about.
हाँ, how to go
How
about
to change yourself also and how to go about it.
that. अच्छा, before I ask my tips, I want to find out that how did you zero down on your perfect partner?
The first thing that struck me really about my partner was his confidence, number one. And number two was his perception of life, the way he perceived life. His was always that no matter, even if I fall down 100 times, the 101th time, 101th time, I am going to get up and rise and do it again. So that persevering nature, that really appealed to me.
Okay, a person, what I would understand is a person who continuously tries to do something.
To do
मतलब
something.
हाँ कि अगर
Right.
कुछ खराब हो भी रहा है, but still again he is trying to
Absolutely.
do something again, something
And,
new in a different way.
And in today's world where people are so negative, like he's a really positive person. No matter what, he sees the good in it. So that really appealed to me because you're surrounded with negativity.
Yes.
At least when you go back home, you want someone who's
You want someone to
positive
give you
there for
positive energy,
Positive,
because that's what is
absolutely.
most important.
Absolutely.
So,
In that way, yes, that's what instantly appealed to me.
my first question to you will be कि मुझे कौन से characteristics वो इंसान में जरूर देखना चाहिए कि I have to narrow down to that person कि ये characteristics उस पे होना ही चाहिए.
देखो, सबसे पहले we human beings are extremely shallow. Okay? Our thinking is extremely shallow. Why? Because जो बंदा सबसे पहले गुड लुकिंग दिखे, अच्छी दिखने में लगे, सबसे पहले नजर वही जाता है. ठीक है? But yes, that also has its thing because why? After a period of 4 to 6 months, once you become really comfortable into the relationship, the looks of that person don't matter to you after a point. It's like how irritating that person can be or how nice that person is to you. And it's not necessary that anyone who looks nice is going to be a good person also. Plus, now we are no one to judge on a good person. Could be someone who's good, is compatible with you. Could be someone who's not good, is also compatible, is not compatible with you. Right? तो तुम्हारे नजर में there are people जो हो सकते हैं अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे इंसान, पर तुम्हारे संग compatible नहीं है. और ये भी हो सकता है कि कोई इंसान बड़ा घटिया, मतलब to the rest of the world एकदम horrible, but with you they are
Very
nice.
nice.
So it depends on that. But that obviously it comes after a point.
हाँ,
The first thing we see is the looks of a person. After that, the more finer nuances come out, like the person's confidence, the person's sense of humor, how attached you can be to that person, how much does that person get you, and how much do you get that person also. So then those things
ये
start
सब चीज़
coming into perspective.
मतलब this is a trial and error what I understand because ये एक आदमी के साथ तो फिक्स होगा नहीं, है ना?
हाँ,
तो ये
but तरुण और एक बात है, what I can tell you from personal experience is that if you work towards your relationship, even with the most horrible of people, yeah, I won't say anyone's betraying your trust and all that stuff, and you continue, no, मुझे करना ही है, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं. But yes, there are certain relationships I've seen personally, जहाँ पे two people are really in love with each other, but because of simple things like egos or misunderstandings or small conflicts, they just she's like, okay fine, he doesn't need me, I don't need him, and he's likewise, oh what does she think, I can't live without her, fine, I'll show her how it's done.
Ego.
That type of
Ego spoils all
ego
relations.
spoils many relationships, which before पहले के जमाने में अगर देखने जाए तो see our moms and dads, no matter even if they fight like cats and dogs, but they still stuck it out.
They're still together.
They're still together.
We are,
And that love is evident. Like even in your family, I'm sure you see, even in mine I've seen. So why does that happen? Because they never had this thing of अच्छा ये बात नहीं कर रही है, चलो मेरे फोन पे और 10 जन है, मेरे मैसेंजर पे और 10 जन है, मेरे ट्विटर पे, मेरा टिंडर पे, so I can ये it's okay, I have options. They never had options. उन लोग का यही था, इसी के संग कसमें खाना है, इसी के संग जीना मरना है.
Commitment बहुत
matters.
जरूरी है.
Commitment matters. They tried to make it work,
I
not
should
like
get
us.
paper and take a note of everything. So नहीं, I'll come back to video whenever I decide to यही वो सब रहेगा. My next question will be that how do you understand कि once you have narrowed down on that person, both the people they agree, they have that feelings, they are expressing it. But how do you understand that they are moving in the right path to something which is beautiful for both of them?
See, now that also depends, because something that is beautiful for both of them. Okay, in today's day and age, I've seen nearly around 80% are just not interested in getting married. Like, people are getting into relationships just because I need someone to take out to restaurants, I need someone to watch a movie with. Like, it's like, why? Like, बस कोई चाहिए, कोई हो, वो अच्छी हो, बुरी हो, जैसी भी हो, मेरे को बस चाहिए time pass. Basically, that's it. No, I won't even say time pass. Why? Because everyone needs a friend. And in today's day and age, we really don't have friends. No one, for that matter, really has a friend, because everyone is too busy in their lives. So what happens is, I have someone who I go out for movies with, who I go out for dinner with, and she's my girlfriend. She becomes my girlfriend or my partner. But I'm not really looking at it like, okay, मैं इसको ले जाके मम्मी से मिलवाऊँ, पापा से मिलवाऊँ, शादी का बात चले. So what happens is that the girl's mind is, he's in it for fun, I'm in it for fun. So we don't need to plan on where are we going. We're just in it for the sake of it. So after that, if I cheat even, or if there's some other issues also, I'm cool with it, because I never looked at him as a lifetime thing. That's the main thing. So if you're talking about how do you know if it's culminating into that, you have to first be sure of yourself. Do you want to take it to that level? Are you interested in taking it to that level? Because 70 to 75% I see are not interested in taking it to that level. So that also matters.
Achha, what if there are two parties, one person is interested and the other person is not interested, कि वो वैसे develop हो, then how do you manage
then
that?
It becomes very difficult for the one who's interested, because the one who's interested is putting in their 100%. The other person is not making an effort. Now with that, see, when one person is doing everything he can and the next person not doing, that's a very unfair, a very biased relationship, where only one person is working towards it, the other is not. So then my advice for the person who is working would be, I don't think it's working out, move on, because that person is not going to be putting in that effort. And there's another thing, once you start putting in a lot of effort, okay, and that person doesn't reciprocate, you develop a sense of bitterness within you, that मैं इतना कुछ कर रहा हूँ, वो तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रही है, या वो इतना कुछ कर रहा है और मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं, that type of thing develop. वो चीज अगर develop हो जाता है, that's also bad for the relationship. So both, it's a 50-50 thing. Both have to put in equally. If you all both want to go to the same place, you all both have got the same ideas in mind. Yes, we want to take our relationship forward. We want to get married. We want to have kids. We want a family. Then yes, you all both have to give in your 50%. In giving in your 50%, there could be days where you give in 80, she gives in 20. But it's not that throughout the relationship it's like that. It's days. She has her bad days, you have your bad days. It's how you both deal with it which matters.
One person has to support the other
Yes,
person. That is
absolutely,
most important.
Absolutely.
Tell me, why these days ये relationship ना 2 से 3 साल के बीच में क्यों आदमी खत्म कर देता है? Like मेरा relationship भी 2.5-3 साल में खत्म हो ही जाता है, मतलब इतना साल से.
चलो पता है तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है?
बताइए.
क्योंकि तुम ना ये से सोचते नहीं हो भाई, इसलिए तुम यहाँ से सोचना स्टार्ट करो तो फिर जरूर चलेंगे. हमारे सिर्फ आईज चलते हैं and I don't know. But
let's keep that toxic.
Yes.
आप टिप्स बताइए.
मैं टिप्स बताऊँ. मैं टिप्स सबसे पहले ये है कि 2 people have to want to चलाओ their relationship longer.
हाँ.
2 people have to have that need. Instead of these ये चलाओ काम चलाओ वाले relationships कि हाँ बस टाइम पास के लिए मैं कर रहा हूँ, instead of that, people have to have that thing that this relationship is my world. I'll do anything to keep it. I know people who you won't believe, they get nothing out of the relationship. Okay, they know there's no future to the relationship, but yet the, what will I call it, commitment to that relationship is really outstanding. Like I know people who have decided to love a person, though that person cannot give them anything, but still I will love you for the rest of my life because I love you, and I always will. Whether you can be with me, not be with me, but I will love you.
ऐसा कमिटमेंट कहाँ मिलता है आज?
मिलता है।
हम बहुत जनों को जानते हैं जो लोग के साथ ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब सब लोग दूसरा बंदा है दूसरे को धोखा दे देता है।
इसलिए नहीं हो रहे क्योंकि वो लोग भी कहीं ना कहीं चूक जा रहे हैं। ये जो आई टेल यू वन थिंग फ्रैंकली, ठीक है, टुडे लिसन, इन योर प्रीवियस रिलेशनशिप्स आल्सो, ओके, फ्रॉम व्हाट आई नो लिटिल बिट हियर देयर, जो भी मैंने सुना, ऑन बेस्ड ऑन दैट, एवरीवन रिक्वायर्स टाइम, ओके। आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू मेस्ड अप, नो, but yes, when a girl requires you, she requires only, okay. In today's day and age, another thing I see a lot is that we've all got so many friends around us, okay. Your girlfriend in that position is going to feel insecure at some point. He could have spent time with me, he chose to spend it with his friends, okay. That hurts, okay. I as a wife, and I've been a wife for 13 years. Yeah, I have not been a wife for 13 years, but relationship and all, yeah, 13 years. हाँ. So in that span of time, अगर मुझे बुरा लगता है अभी भी, if yeah you go out somewhere, you know, instead of spending time with me, you choose to spend time with your friends, that hurts me. So then imagine a girlfriend. Obviously she's going to be more hurt, isn't it? And then what happens is ना, वो hurt थोड़ा से थोड़ा और हो जाते, थोड़ा और से थोड़ा और हो जाते, उसके बाद वो she starts feeling, अच्छा तो मेरा सारा जितना भी effort I'm putting in is coming to naught, तो ठीक है, तो the next person who starts giving her attention, automatically what happens is all the love which was reserved for you starts flows वहाँ, हाँ, for that you can blame her also. Why? Because हाँ कहीं तुम भी चूके, हाँ हो सकते तुम्हारे obviously priorities होते हैं, but that is the thing, we need to make our relationship our priority. उल्टा हम लोग क्या करते हैं, मैं ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ सोशलाइज कर रहा हूँ, हाँ, अरे पर मैं तो तुम्हारा ही हूँ ना, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे तो मैं तुम्हारे ही पास आ रहा हूँ, वो मैटर नहीं करता है, मैटर करते जब मुझे तुम चाहिए, क्या तुम मेरे पास आ रहे हो, हाँ, जब तुम्हें टाइम मिल रहा है, अच्छा अभी 1 घंटा चलो उससे मिल के आए, वैसे नहीं चलता है, वैसे नहीं करना है,
ये बहुत जनों को सीखना पड़ेगा।
Yeah, many people have to learn that. That's relation. If you want it to go that way, then you have to give it that priority also. Not you know कि अच्छा आज टाइम है तो आज मैं मिल लूँ, कल मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होगा, टाइम क्यों नहीं होगा, तुम निकालो थोड़ा सा टाइम, जहाँ जिम जा रहे हो वहाँ कल जिम मत जाओ, मेरे से मिलने आओ, like that type of thing.
अच्छा, my last question to you for today will be, what is the most important thing in the relationship?
According to me, if you treat me like plan B, you are plan Y.
Oh.
Because priority matters, I need to be at the top of that list. And secondly, keep your sense of humor intact. No matter what situation, if we can laugh it off and get over with it, na, there's nothing like it. वो लेकर चलना, दिल में लेकर चलना, चोट, हर्ट, ये वो, कहीं नहीं पहुंचोगे भाई।
ये बात बहुत सही आप बोले कि you can, कि जो पुराना गलती हो गया
तो get it over with. वो दिमाग में लेकर चलने वाले हो तो कहीं नहीं पहुंचोगे, you'll still be stuck over there, दुनिया निकल जाएगा।
And I guess जिस इंसान का ऐसा मेंटालिटी एक इंसान के साथ है, वो कभी किसी के साथ खुश नहीं रह पाएगा, तो वो किसी के साथ रिलेशनशिप नहीं रह पाएगा।
Flaws in people, that's they don't keep looking for flaws.
हाँ, तो ये again this connects with the first point that कि a person who continuously tries, when you know that the other person is trying,
you automatically feel somewhere, हाँ, कि अरे यार नहीं बंदा इतना कर रहे तो even I will put in. Understood?
Everything is all connected.
Absolutely, 100%.
Thank you so much for doing
You're
this.
most
Thank you for
welcome.
giving me tips and
You're
answering
most
my
welcome.
questions.
Thank you. I'm happy that I could be of any use to you also.
Thank you. And I guess there are many other questions which we were not able to put it all together.
Together.
Yes.
Right.
So If there are any questions, if you like this and if there is any question, please give it in the comment section. I will be the channel. यहाँ से हम questions लेंगे और यहाँ पे इनको questions देंगे and हम लोग कुछ
And
fun
certainly,
करेंगे.
we'll try our best to help you all out.
Done. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed doing this,
I did.
and I hope you enjoyed watching this. And thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. ये पता नहीं मेरे को क्यों बोलना पड़ता है, but जिसको देखना है वो देखेगा. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.